tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. But when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you.
Hi my sweet friends, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to be doing another glam DIY project. This time I'm doing a glam flower cart. I hope you enjoy.
Ooh, thought it was.
I started by picking up a gift box from my local dollar store. I liked how it was already black and white, which was the theme that I was going for.
You can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things
I've been wanting to do an inexpensive flower cart for some time, and I knew this box was the perfect shape and size.
I am trying to do is say I love you.
Also from the dollar store were these two little round gift boxes. They were perfect for what I had in mind for the wheels of my little cart. And I took them outside and spray painted them black.
I am trying to do is let you know it when you touch my hair.
I'm also going to be using these craft dowels. Now I picked out 4 here guys and spray painted them black as well.
Oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know it.
Taking a sheet of black craft paper, I'm going to bend this in half guys, and this is going to create the roof of our little cart.
I sound so cliche.
Now I had originally decided to put one of those dowels in the middle of the cardboard, but you'll see that I actually changed my mind.
Ooh, I'm so in love with you. Ooh, it sounds so stupid now.
Now I then took a sheet of this gold glitter foam. Guys, this is a DIY dream, this stuff. It cost me only $3 a sheet and I get so many DIYs out of it. Now what I'm doing here is I've just flipped it over and I'm going to take a sheet of that cardboard, and using that as a template, I'm going to go around probably a ½ an inch bigger here guys. And there's a reason for that and I'll show you as we go along. So I'm just going to cut that out.
You did your best to make me yours. If I knew how all of this would turn out, but nobody knew. But I guess I knew someday you were gonna leave me. I guess I knew somewhere I would be alone, yeah. But I didn't know that you.
Now once it's cut out, you're going to flip it over and then you're going to take that piece of cardboard again and position it in the middle. Now you can see here that the glitter foam is a little larger than the cardboard, and what we're going to do here is just take our pen and just freehand a scalloped edge along the bottom and the top of the glitter foam.
Tell you how stupid I felt. I can't believe that I thought we were in love, but you were busy playing on my
Once you've done both top and bottom, you're then going to cut them out.
You did your best to make me yours. If I knew how.
Once they were complete, you're then going to have a scalloped edge, and you're going to take that piece of cardboard and you're going to hot glue that to the centre.
I guess I knew somewhere I would be alone, yeah, but I didn't.
Now this is where I changed my mind guys. I used a large popsicle stick that I cut to size, and I'll actually hot glue this to the centre. Now what this is going to do is actually going to help when it rests over. So how I'm flipping it here, once it sits on top of the cart, it will sit nicely.
Me, baby, yeah. You had your chance, but oh, how you blew it, baby, oh. Everybody
gift boxes were dry, I took the lids off, and with the two larger pieces of the round boxes, they are going to be hot glued at the very back of the box. Now the top lids of these boxes became my wheels. Once they were all glued in place, I then took another one of those popsicle sticks and I cut it at either end, probably about 3 centimetres, guys. And these are going to be our little handles of our little cart. So what I'm going to do is take them outside and spray paint them black as well.
Hello.
While they were drying, I then used my craft dowels. Now, I only ended up using 2 here, guys. And what I'm doing here is I'm going to hot glue them to the middle of the left and right hand side. We're then going to take the roof of our little cart and we're going to hot glue that to the top.
Pictures of sunny days with your smile and the bar. They say I was broken. How could they say?
Once everything was glued in place, I then decided, guys, that I wanted to add some ribbon to my scalloped edge. I just wasn't quite happy with it just as it is. So I took this dollar store ribbon and I hot glued it across the front.
How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay.
I then took this Chanel logo that I had from a previous project and I had some white glitter foam, guys, that I'm just going to flip over here and I'm going to use that Chanel logo as a template. I'm then going to trace it and cut it out.
That shirt you wanted to.
I'm then going to hot glue that to the centre of our roof.
Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to.
I'm then going to take some of this dollar store bling wrap and I'm going to glue that across the top of the ribbon.
I hope we can be friends.
I also decided to add it to the wheels.
How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay.
I then took these dollar store white stickers and across the top of the white lid, I'm going to spell out the word Chanel.
How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
I also took these dollar store Glam ribbons and I hot glued them to each of the dowels.
How'd you do?
And to finalise our project, I took this beautiful Glam brooch and I hot glued that to the centre of our wheel.
I'm not broken, not broken, not broken.
Now I had this cute little dollar store chalkboard sign and I knew I wanted to make a little prop to go with my flower cart. So I cut out a template of a little perfume bottle and I hot glued that to the front.
Friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm
Guys, this was another project that I truly loved creating for you. I really love thinking outside the box, so to speak, and I truly wanted to show you an inexpensive way of making some home decor of a little flower cart that you could incorporate into your glam homes.
Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. Not
finish a DIY, I'm always thinking of other options that we can do with this DIY. Now, for example, you didn't want the Chanel logo. I even thought about doing a floral roof. I think the roof being floral would be absolutely beautiful. If you'd like to see me do another style or flower card, leave me a comment down below what type you would like to see.
Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. 'Cause I don't care about you anymore. So you can't hurt me like you did before.
So many of you guys reach out to me and say, Shell, I'm just not crafty. I want to share really easy DIY projects for you that not only will be inexpensive to purchase the items to create them, but anyone could certainly have a go at putting them together. Just follow my step-by-step tutorials and you can have your very own Glam flower card. Because I'm all about glam decor, I wanted to incorporate a black and white theme here. I truly love how it goes so well with my mirrored furniture. My mirror that I picked up last week from TK Maxx is my favourite piece of my home at the moment, guys, and I felt that the black and white Chanel theme would tie in so beautifully with it.
Because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are...
Guys, I'd love to hear your feedback on which DIY you'd like to see me do next. I'm always looking for new and inexpensive ways to bring DIY projects for you, and you all inspire me so much. So please leave me a comment down below if you have an idea in mind that you'd like me to recreate.
Keep on talking to me, don't you leave me by myself.
Guys, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at CHELLESGLAMHOME too. I'll leave a link to that down below. I've been so inspired by all you guys reaching out to me and sending me pictures of your DIYs. It really makes my day when I open them up and I see them.
It's you and midnight. Let's leave now and get undressed. Look in my eyes and holding me close. I know you won't let me down. For the rest of the night until break of dawn, baby, it's the two of us. I know you won't let me down.
Thank you so much for watching, my sweet friends. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home.
In a room of flashing lights, you pull me closer as we dance. As we dance, it's you and midnight. You know we could get undressed.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
For the rest of the night until break of dawn, baby, it's the two of us.